Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily get back your archived stories in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also friends, write your comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So, let's get started. And now I'm going to show you in detail, step by step, how you can easily find your archived stories or stories that you use to add to Instagram on your page. So friends, first of all, please open your Instagram page, and then you'll need to go to your page. And now on the top right, click on the three bars. And now friends, when you have your settings open, go to Archive. And as you can see, this is how you go to the History Archive. If you don't have the History Archive, then you'll need to click on the middle at the top, and you might have the Publishing Archive. Then you'll just need to switch it to the Story Archive. It's just like that. So friends, what do you do next? Well, if you wanted to, say, republish a story that you've published before, you'd have to open it up. And down here, folks, at the bottom, click on Share. So you'll reshare a story that you've already shared. You can also, add your story to your favorites or what they call highlights. And those stories, if you add them, you can sign them in some way, let's say. That story, like that. And look, if you add your story from the archive to highlights, then they stay right here between your profile header and your publications. And those stories will always be on your page. And just like you and other users on Instagram can go and see that story. Also friends, I recommend you to see if you have the Story Archive enabled. To do that, when you go to the archive page, at the top on the right-hand side, click on the three dots, click on Builds, and here you'll need to make sure that you have this Save Stories to Archive option enabled. This way, all the stories that you add to your Instagram page will automatically be added to the archives, so you can easily find them in the future. Friends, this is how you can get back archived stories in Instagram. I hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments. Bye bye.